Arista is the only company that offers the most versatile ThinManager-Ready thin clients on the market, designed to meet a wide range of application requirements. Powered by PoE, these thin clients let you install them even where no power source is available. Wi-Fi boot ThinManager-Ready thin clients allow seamless wireless connection to the ThinManager server. ThinManager-Ready thin clients are designed for use in Class 1, Division 2 hazardous locations. Arista's control room thin clients come in a variety of models, supporting dual displays, triple 4K, quad 4K, and even up to 7 4K monitors. ThinManager-Ready thin clients mobile workstations connect wirelessly to the ThinManager server. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, they offer true mobility, no strings attached, allowing seamless movement from one location to another. Arista's ThinManager-Ready thin clients are available with integrated touchscreen displays. Screen sizes range from 10.4 inches up to 24 inches, with your choice of 5-wire resistive or projected capacitive touch technology. They are available in panel mount and VESA-mount options, fully enclosed in stainless steel for durability and protection, perfect for various installation needs in harsh environments.